We're here at Whaling Creek. We're gonna go catch some dubs.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. We're gonna go get some smallmouth. He's bad at fishing. I'm gonna catch the biggest bass.
You got a fish? Oh, what?
Oh, yeah.
It's fine.
Oh,
it's fine.
It's a drum. Are you recording?
I am recording.
Here, I'll help him.
Hold on. You're good. He's good. He's in the water. He's in the water. He's good.
Wait,
is that a trout? No, it's a carp.
It's a carp.
It's either it don't matter. It's a fish.
Yeah.
It's a good fish. We always catch something big here. Drew, don't break your line. Don't break your line.
Don't break your freaking
Oh,
ball.
got good drag.
It don't sound like you got good drag.
He ain't pulling hard. He ain't pulling hard. He's just weighing.
He ain't pulling hard, huh?
Here, take my rod. Take my rod is what I need you to take.
Here, gosh dang it, if you want me to take it, you gotta help me take it. Man, you snagged him.
Yeah.
Fishy. Drew. No time. Nice. I got a fish, guys. That's not a bad sucker. Don't break your line.
I'm not worried about it.
You caught that thing on accident.
I don't care.
We always catch him up here, dude. There's lots of them. And he caught him by his mouth. He was obviously trying to eat it. Here, Drew, show off your fishy. RPG. Fish.
We're holding like a freaking fish.
Bye-bye.
Good fish. I'd probably check your line.
Oh,
Yeah.
definitely.
Look at the freaking slime on his line.
They're bad about that. Drew's on the board. Right here's where Jeremiah caught that massive drum too.
I'm just not big on the board.
Dude, imagine if that would have been a smallmouth.
It hit like a smallmouth.
I thought I saw like all black like a smallmouth.
They gave me a good fight though.
Well, yeah, they
I
always
don't know
do.
how it did. Like my drag is set perfectly. Yeah, I mean look at that, set perfect. I am using thinner line though. Usually supposed to probably set about a little bit lower.
I'm only using 6-pound
I'm
test.
using 12. I usually use 15. See, I told you there's fish coming up out of the top of the water right here.
Probably a little sucker.
Well, we'll keep fishing here. We'll catch him. He caught that sucker by the mouth that was trying to eat it.
There's a chance. I think it probably is.
That probably, you never know. If there would be a muskie, it would be in here.
Oh, I guys got a hit.
Yeah, I had a hit right there as well.
Got him.
Nice. Need my help?
I think it's a. Oh,
It's a walleye.
it's a walleye. Walleye.
Probably would hit my bait.
Guarantee it. No, it's a walleye.
Several fish back up that way along the wall.
Yeah, there's always fish here.
Wherever we go to leave, we need to stop here.
Huh?
Whenever we go to leave, we need to stop here.
This is the first place I go every year.
Okay. I'm gonna go wild. I'm gonna fish the back.
This is the happy place.